Hello and welcome back. If you are new here, this is Zero the Painter. Today he is here to welcome you to a beginner-friendly acrylic painting tutorial. From a blank canvas to a finished portrait, today Zero will show you how to paint a simple yet beautiful red-haired woodpecker on canvas. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners learning the basics of acrylic painting, and for artists just looking to perfect their skills. Step 1. Background setup. Start by covering your canvas with a mixture of green and blue. Remember, the background color isn't critical at this stage. It can be a solid color or a blend, whichever you prefer. The main goal is to establish a simple background layer to set the scene. Step 2. Sketching basic shapes. Using black paint, sketch the basic shapes of the scene. Begin with the fence the bird perches on. Then the woodpecker's general outline. As Walt Disney said, build the scene first. Then add the character, which helps make the background feel separate from the main subject. Focus on mimicking the edges of your shapes. Accuracy here sets a strong foundation. Remember, you can always add more detail later. Step 3. Painting the main shapes. Paint the fence with browns, starting with light shades and gradually working darker to create depth and texture. We started with black shapes. This dark base helps in building shadows and highlights for realism. Focus on shadow placement, as light typically lands on the top and shadows fall underneath, adding dimension. Step 4. Adding details and layers. Begin to fill in the details on the bird, emphasizing fine details in the feather patterns for realism. Focus on the top of the painting, working section by section. Use blending techniques to connect sections smoothly. Highlight around the eye and add the white patterns on the cheeks and head in layers to give a lifelike appearance. Step 5. Painting the white details and body. Add white markings on the back and belly of the bird and the pattern on the wings. It helps to have a fine brush to paint small details. While the white paint dries, revisit the beak and add the bird's distinctive red head. Use gray to add details on the bird's body, layering to enhance realism. Step 6. Final touches. Finish by adding bright white highlights to the entire bird for brightness and depth. Paint the foot visible on the perch, emphasizing what you see rather than what you think should be there. We paint what we see, not what we know. Step back and enjoy your completed painting. Tips for beginners. Remember, this painting is flexible. You can add as much or as little detail as you like. Stay relaxed and patient. Your art is unique to you. Use lots of paint and let it flow freely, and you'll surprise yourself with the results. This formula, background, shape, details, highlights works for any painting style. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like. Leave a comment to tell us what are you painting today. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our art videos. Thanks for watching and keep creating.